We step on shit, voice like them Birdsongs. My vocalization hard as stones. Go hard, you come right here not giving it your all. You might not make it home, so go soft. You gone, nigga, you came wrong. Don't come correct. Declaration of war, he a war that bring the battle, bitch nigga to the war technician. The battle vocal tactician. She get deadly. They know not to bring, they play to me. Just like them Birdsongs, the backstabbing folks in me, they fear me, they thought to join. But my voice kept them from around me. Fuck the haters like a Birdsong. My defense, written communication. We step on shit like Birdsong temptations. You better recognize me, my territory, little bitch. My words have running. Don't get scared. What you talking, nigga? We step on shit. You can save your humming. My Birdsong was a warning before I start busting. Did you get the message? If not yet, I ain't about to tell you I'm coming. I know they hide, know me blind. I know you see them crying, and I ain't lying on that shit. Truth set you free. They gotta chain me to stop me. You gotta cheat me to win. Bitch nigga, you so silly. You gotta be ready with the shit just to kill me. We step on shit like Birdsong temptations. You better recognize me, my territory, little bitch. My words have them running. Don't get scared. What you talking, nigga? We step on shit. You can save the love.